Welcome to Math 155. I'm your instructor, Patricia Wran, though everyone calls me Pat. I'd like to tell you a bit about Math 155, walk you through the course website, and tell you a little bit about how this course is going to run. First of all, please notice how my last name is spelled W-R-E-A-N, and don't forget the A. The reason this is important is that the easiest way to get to my website is to type my last name into any search engine, for example, Google. So here's Google. I've typed Wren into the search bar, and when I hit the results, my website is reliably on the first page of hits. As it turns out, there aren't many Wrens out there, and I'm the only one with a substantial web presence. So ignoring the Wren on Wikipedia, which apparently is some kind of species in Star Wars, let's go to Patricia Wren's math page, which is at wren.ca. Click on it, and you'll find yourself on my webpage. Now, Math 155, Applied Math for Computing, is the top left link. So let's click on it and take a look at what we find. First, we find the announcements page. There aren't a lot of announcements yet because the course has just started, but if there are any due dates, test dates, other kind of announcements, I will post them to this page within 24 hours. If we then click on the navigation bar to the textbook page, you can see that we actually have a custom textbook. I wrote it, and there's the download link there. You can also get a hard copy at the Interurban Satellite Print Shop, and we'll talk more about that in class. So you can get a hard copy if you want. It's usually something under $20 if you want to get it spiral bound. The lectures page, I will post the lecture notes once we actually meet in person and have some lectures. The homework page, you will be getting sometime later today or tomorrow an email that will give you your username and link to the Camosun WebWorks server. It's an online server, access is free, and your first assignment, assignment 0, will be due next week. So do take a look. The very first assignment, assignment 0, is essentially, can you type into the answer blank and have WebWork recognize your answer? It should be a very straightforward thing, but there's lots of help available if you have any trouble at all with the interface. The tests page, I'll have to move the current tests to previous tests, and I'll be updating that soon. FAQs, if you already have some other math that you think you might be eligible to get a waiver for Math 155 or an exemption, please do click on the link there and take a look, or you can come and see me during office hours. On the About Math 155 page, there's a copy of there's a link to the official calendar description, the course outline, the pacing schedule, and the student guidelines for academic integrity. Let's take a look at the course outline in just a minute. And if you want to take a look at when and where I think we're going to be doing certain topics, you can also take a look at the pacing schedule. Those are on PDF form. And then on the very last link on the navigation bar, you can see all of my contact information. So let's take a look at the course outline in just a sec. So this is the course outline for Math 155. It's the first of 2 courses offered by the Department of Math and Statistics for the Information and Computing Systems program, which this course is designed for. If you take a look at the intended learning outcomes, you'll find that we're doing logic, binary numbers, sequences and series, and then a little bit on Big O notation. Scrolling down a bit, there is the textbook is online and available at the course website, as you can see. You will need a standard scientific calculator. There's a topic list, as you can see here. We're starting out with counting in binary numbers and moving through the other topics that I mentioned. And your final grade will be calculated on assignments, test, and final exam. You'll be receiving a hard copy of this course outline when we meet for the first time in person. But in the interim, you can go and take a look at it at the link if you want more details now. So to wrap up, welcome to Math 155. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone in person, and I'll be seeing you soon.